This is Nova, and she is from Peyton and Gunner, and she's reserved. And she's going to be a big, stocky girl. Has blue eyes. Hard to see. Got so much fur. She's a very fluffy girl, and she'll be ready on the 22nd for her new home. And this is Nova from Peyton and Gunner. Nova.
Getting her shots on Tuesday. They're 6 weeks old tomorrow.
Okay.
Or they were 6 weeks old on Friday, sorry.
Look at the pretty girl. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh, you look so vicious.
Huh. You look so mean, but you're the biggest sweetheart, aren't you? You're a big old sweetheart. You're just a baby. You're just a big baby. And this is Nova.